Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 3.7, Problem 9. This is Section 3.7, Problem 9. It says Sally's student had the following grades this semester. What is her grade point average? So, in math, she got an A, English a C, history B, chemistry another B. So you have to know a couple of things to find the grade point average. First of all, what's the point value for each grade? Well, at most schools, A's are a 4, or 4.0. C's are 2s, B's are 3s, another B. F's, of course, would be 0. Fortunately, I shouldn't get any F's. You also need to know how many credits each course was. So most of them are 3s. Most courses are 3-credit courses. The chemistry was 4. A lot of times, if a science class, if it has a lab, there's your 4th credit. Or an upper-level math, like a calculus, if it meets 4 hours per week, the 4 credits. So anyway, what you do is you multiply the point value for the grade times the credit hours for the course. Start with that. So for the math, you're going to have 4 times 3, which gives us a 12. For English, 2 for the point value of the C times 3 for a 3-credit course. 2 times 3 is 6. Chemistry, 3 for the point value for the B plus times 3 for a 3-credit course. So 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Finally, the chemistry, B, which is 3 credit points for the grade of B, and it's 4 credit hours. So 3 times 4. Is 12. Now that you've done those multiplications, what I want to do is add these numbers up and get a total. So they total to 12 and 6 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. 27 and 12 is 39. Or you can put the two 12s together, 24. 24 and 6 is 30. 39 is 39. That's actually what went on in my head. However you get it, total is 39. Now you have to divide that total of your point value for the grade times the credit hours by the total number of credits. So how many credits did Sally's student take this past semester? You would total up the number of credits. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 more is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So there were a total of 13 credits attempted. So it's a total of 39 over the credits, which is 13. Now, I can see that 39 over 13 reduces to 3. Let's say you don't see that. So you do 39 inside of a division symbol, 13 in front, and you can't just put it into the 3. You have to do the whole thing. 39, try 3. 3 times 3 is 9, nothing to carry. 3 times 1 is 3. 39 minus 39 is 0. It goes in evenly. So Sally's student's grade point average for this semester is 3, or a lot of schools put one place after the decimal, they would put 3.0.